During unprecedented times, NYSUT members
rose to the occasion.
Day after day, week after week, grueling month after grueling month.
For our students,
for their families, and for our communities.
Para todos nosotros.
Y por todos nosotros.
Never before had NYSUT members been on the front lines of a pandemic. We stood together.
We relied on each other for support,
for guidance, and for survival.
And just as we were putting this chapter behind us,
a new round of attacks.
On our schools, on our students, on our professions.
Disinformation, lies,
hostile school board meetings, book banning.
When we thought we couldn't bear anymore, when it seemed like differences would rip us apart,
we pushed back by pulling
together and rediscovered
the promise of our union.
That unity
is a force more powerful.
As one union with one
voice, we proclaimed
public schools,
public schools,
public schools,
public schools unite us.
Public school unite us.
From unity comes
power.
And from power comes
results.
De la unidad viene el poder.
NYSUT members rallied together last year during school budget and board elections,
passing 99% of the budget.
We elected 86% of our endorsed pro-public education candidates.
And guess what? 6 of them were NYSUT members.
In the midterms, we won big with pro-union candidates.
And we're getting NYSUT members from the classrooms
into the halls of power.
But we didn't stop there.
We got fully funded foundation aid
for the first time in 30 years.
And this year, we're pushing for things that matter to our communities.
Safer schools and ensuring that
all New Yorkers have access to high-quality public higher education.
And we're pushing back
against unaccountable corporate charter schools.
And all along, we've been fighting for
core union values,
better jobs, quality healthcare,
and professional respect and dignity
in the halls of power
and our stronger public schools.
We are NYSUT.
We are NYSUT.
We are NYSUT.
We are NYSUT.
We
are NYSUT.
We are NYSUT.
The future is ours.
United.